Hi everyone, this is our project video for the course Virtual Commissioning of Robot Systems at Tampere University. Our project was to assemble the rotor for an electric motor using visual components to model and program the robotic cell and then bring it to real life. At first, the robot brings the main hub to a jig under a pneumatic press using a multifunctional gripper. This is where the majority of the assembly will happen. After this, our smallest part, the spacing ring and the spring are brought to the hub. The large brake is then brought to the hub, making sure that the teeth align with the hub. This is then pressed with a locking ring to their place. The method for installing the locking ring was one of the hardest challenges with this project. Bearing feeders are functional in real life and also in visual components. The bearings are also pressed into place. The whole assembly is then flipped to continue the process, and the smaller of the two pairings is pressed into place. The assembly is then moved back to its original jig, where a rubber cap is placed on the other end of the hub. The robot inserts the cap only slightly and then pushes it down. This decision was made to improve the reliability of the assembly. Finally, a spray is added in a circular motion to the part.